Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to find the Fourier series expansion of f of x is equals to x into 2 pi minus x in the interval 0 comma 2 pi, and hence deduce the value, that is pi square by 8 is equals to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus and so on. So here the interval is given, that is 0 comma 2 pi. So 0 comma 2 pi. So what is the length of the interval? It is length of the interval is 2l. So 2l is given by 2 pi minus 0, which implies l is equals to pi. So we got the l value. Now I'll write the find out the a naught, an and bn. Or before that, the Fourier series expansion is given by, that is f of x is equals to a naught by 2 plus summation n is equals to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus summation n equals 1 to infinity bn sin nx. So now I will find the constants a naught, an and bn. So a naught formula is given by 1 by pi, limits of the integral are 0 to 2 pi f of x dx. So what is f of x? F of x is x into 2 pi minus x, or you can write this as 2 pi x minus x square. Substitute this. A naught is equals to 1 by pi into integral from 0 to 2 pi. This is 2 pi x minus x square into dx. Integrate with respect to x. That is 1 by pi is a constant into, here 2 pi is a constant. So x integration is x square by 2 and x square integration is x cube by 3. The limits are 0 to 2 pi. First substitute the upper limit, that is 1 by pi into, here 2 gets cancelled, pi into x square, that is 2 pi whole square minus 2 pi whole cube divided by 3, and the lower limit becomes 0 because lower limit is 0. Here also x, here also x, both the terms become 0. So lower term is lower limit is 0. So 1 by pi into 2 means it is pi into 4 pi square, and 2 cube means it is 8 pi cube by 3. So now simplify this one, that is 1 by pi into, this is 4 pi cube minus 8 pi cube by 3. So take 3 as the LCM, so it will be 1 by pi into this 3 into 4, that is 12 pi cube minus 8 pi cube divided by pi. It's not pi, it is 3 divided by 3. That is 12 pi cube minus 8 pi cube will be 4 pi cube, 1 by pi into 4 pi cube by 3. So here pi and pi cube becomes pi square. So a naught is 4 pi square by 3. Or if you divide it by 2, a naught by 2 will be, that is 2 pi square by 3. So this is a naught. Similarly, we have to find the another constant, so that is second one. So an is given by 1 by pi 0 to 2 pi f of x cos nx dx. So now you substitute the function here. I'll start from here. That is an is given by 1 by pi into integral from 0 to 2 pi. F of x is 2 pi x minus x square into cos nx dx. Now treat the first function, this as the first function and cos nx as the second function. Apply integration by parts. That is first one 2 pi x minus x square into cos nx integration sin nx by n minus differentiation of 2 pi x minus x square. 2 pi x differentiation is 1 and x square differentiation is 2x into sin integration, that is minus cos nx by, so one more n we will get it, so it becomes n square. So now one more time plus upper this one 2 pi differentiation is 0 minus 2x differentiation will be 2 and cos integration will be minus sin nx by n cube. The limits are 0 to 2 pi. See, both the sign terms become 0. This term and so this term becomes 0. Why it is 0 means upper limit is 2 pi. So it becomes sin 2n pi. Sin 2n pi is also 0 and the lower limit is sin 0. So both become 0. So these two terms become 0. So therefore I will rewrite it 1 by pi into integral. Here this minus into minus will be plus we can take out the constant, that is 1 by n square outside, 2 pi minus 2x into cos nx, the limits from 0 to 2 pi. Now again substitute it. So I will take this n square also outside. 1 by pi n square into upper limit is 2 pi. So 2 pi minus 2 into 2 pi and cos 2n pi. And lower limit upper it is 2 pi. So x will be 0. Here 2 pi minus 2x. So x is 0 into cos 0. Now simplified. That is 1 by pi n square into this is 2 pi minus 2 into 2, that is 4 pi, and cos 2n pi value is 1 minus 2 pi and this is 0, so it will be minus 2. So therefore now again here 1 by pi n square, 2 pi minus 4 pi will be minus 2 pi, again minus 2 pi. So what you will get? Minus 4 pi by pi n square. So this pi will get cancelled. So an is minus 4 by n square. So now we got two constants. We'll find out the another one, that is bn. Bn formula is 1 by pi 0 to pi 0 to 2 pi f of x sin nx dx. Now substitute the function. So that is 1 by pi into integral from 0 to 2 pi f of x, that is 2 pi x minus x square into sin nx. So apply the integration by parts. This is first, and sin nx will be second function. That is bn will be 1 by pi into this is 2 pi x minus x square sin nx integration minus cos nx by n minus 2 pi x differentiation is 1 and x square differentiation is 2x and cos integration will be minus sin nx by n square. Again the continuation of it plus 2 pi differentiation will be 0 minus 2x derivative will be minus 2 sin integration will be minus cos, so it will be minus into minus, it becomes cos nx by n cube. Here the minus sign is there, again sin integration will be minus cos, so we'll get minus into minus plus. The limits are 0 to 2 pi. Again this term is 0 because of sin nx, upper limit sin 2n pi 0, lower limit is sin 0 is 0. Now here this term will also become 0. You can see here this term will also be 0. Why it is 0 means if we substitute upper limit, this becomes 4 pi square, 2 into 2 pi 4 pi square. Here means this is 4 pi square, this will be 0. And similarly if you substitute 0 also it becomes 0. Only we have to substitute the limits for this third term. That is 1 by pi into minus 2 by n cube, upper limit is 2 pi, so it becomes cos 2n pi and lower limit is cos 0. So cos 2n pi value is 1, so minus 2 by pi n cube, cos 2n pi is 1 and cos 0 is 1, which implies bn is 0. So we got all the three constants a naught, an and bn. So now I'll write the Fourier series expansion. That is f of x is equals to a naught by 2 plus summation n equals 1 to infinity, n equals 1 to infinity an cos nx plus summation n equals 1 to infinity bn sin nx. So now what is f of x? It is 2 pi x minus x square. So a naught by 2 is 2 pi square by 3 plus summation n is equals to 1 to infinity. An is minus 4 by n square into cos nx and third term will be 0. So this is about the functions. So if you substitute the to get the required answer,